Shandong zonxin Auto Parts Company Limited was founded in 2008, is a national high-tech enterprise integrating design, R&D, and precision manufacturing. The company has a high level of professional design and development team and advanced production equipment. The company has more than 110 employees, including more than 30 mechanical engineers and technicians. The company's main products are mechanical suspension, air suspension, axle, and other special vehicle parts products. Annual production capacity: 30,000 sets of semi-trailer mechanical suspension system, 20,000 sets air suspension system, 30,000 pieces hub axles, 20,000 pieces disc axles. The products are sold well around China. Meanwhile, the company has exported to more than 10 countries and regions, such as North America, South America, Middle East, Southeast Asia, and Africa. The company complies with IATF 16949 management system standards and has more than 40 national patented technologies, and has undertaken a number of provincial and municipal level research and development projects. Over the years, the company adheres to the innovative, science and technology, service-oriented development concept, employing experts and a number of well-known university professors, and constantly optimize the design, adhere to scientific and technological innovation. We are willing to work together with outstanding special-purpose vehicle manufacturers, hand in hand, to create a win-win situation and create brilliant.